Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into Emporia SMART.5. First of all, open your Play Store and in search need find X icon changer application. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something what you wanna change. Maybe for example settings will be nice. Okay, now from the of our free icon library, choose some new library here. Maybe this one or this, for example. Okay, and now for saving this icon, you tap on the top right corner to OK button for saving. Now need close ads maybe a few times because it's free application. And now tap add automatically. Now go to our desktop and here we got our new icon of settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.